Okay, and welcome back, everyone. You or nobody, depending on who's watching these videos. So we're going to get into the next lesson here. Of course, just as usual, the website is phpvideosonline.com. That's where you're getting all these free videos from. And if you want to find out some more information about other videos, like videos from scratch, websites from scratch, I'm going to take you guys through a bunch of videos right from the very beginning, right from a blank text page, and create some dynamic web applications. Some pretty crazy stuff. We can do some classified ads like Kijiji. We're going to do some sites, real estate sites. We're going to do a whole bunch of stuff. In fact, you know what? If you go to forum.phpvideosonline.com, again, that's forum.phpvideosonline.com, this website here, you can actually get to the forum, and on the forum, if you have any help, or if you need any help for PHP, you just ask away, and myself or one of the other experts that we have will be able to help you. And that's with anything to do with PHP, whether you've signed up or purchased any of the websites from scratch, series videos, or any of the other course material videos. It doesn't really matter. It's just a free forum where we can help everybody. The whole idea, expanding PHP. So let's get on with it here before I blabber on a little bit too much. So let's get on with the video. So what are we going to do today? We're looking at arrays. Now, with arrays, arrays are basically, let's use some layman terms here. Arrays are buckets. An array is a variable is a bucket, but an array is like a line of buckets where you've got bucket 1, bucket 2, bucket 3, all in a row, where you can store different things in each bucket. Does that make any sense? So what we're going to do is there's two types of arrays. First one is an enumerated array, and I'll show you an example that'll help better explain it here. I've just got some code that I'm going to paste in to help with this. So here you see we've initialized an array called Beatles. It's of the array type, and now Beatles, this is the variable or the array, and then this is what we call a key, and the key holds a value. So this essentially is your bucket, and then this is whatever's in the bucket. So here's another bucket, and here's something else that's in that bucket. So what we're going to do is take a look at this here. What we can do is this is called an enumerated array, and we'll take a look at an associative array. And actually I can show you that right now. I've got one here somewhere. Sorry, just give me 1 second. There we go. There it is. Okay, so you can see an associative array is exactly the same thing, only we're gonna name our keys. So this is a key value or a bucket, and this is the value that we hold in the bucket. So you can see it's identical. It's the same type of thing. It's just something being held in a bucket, and this is the name of buckets. Okay, so this here, it doesn't really matter the name, I guess. So let's go on. Let's move on. So now, in order to get to the array, in order to get to this value here, we can just call it. So what we're going to do is just say, oh, I'm in the wrong place here. Let's just say echo, and then your array, which is Beatles, and now we're going to call it by the key. So we're going to say, let's just comment this one out for right now, and we'll do the enumerative first. So Beatles 0. Now something very important to mention, computers and everything to do with programming all count from 0. So in order